Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a basic white sauce recipe, and here are the simple ingredients. Here I have 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, an unsalted butter, 5 ml of fresh milk, a half teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt, garlic, and onion powder. Let's get started. Now, let's melt our butter. Melt our butter and using medium heat to avoid burning. Once the butter melted, let's add our flour. Keep on whisking it. Now, once it becomes thick, let's turn off the heat. While the heat is off, let's add our fresh milk. Just add a little bit and whisk it slowly. And then add more. Let's add the milk slowly and keep on whisking it to avoid lumps. And now let's combine all our prepared seasonings. Now let's add it on the pan. And let's turn back on our heat, a medium heat, and keep on whisking it. Keep on whisking it to avoid lumps. Keep on whisking it until it becomes thick and to avoid lumps. Now it's boiling, and let's boil more for another 1 minute. And after 1 minute boiling, our basic homemade white sauce is ready.